Hi you guys, it's Danielle Kartes. I'm about to make your dinner game very delicious with your kids. Let's get started. What are we making?
Chicken roll-ups.
We've got 4 cups of shredded chicken here. I'm gonna say the ingredients. Noah's gonna stir them in. Some cheddar cheese, some cream cheese. The best part about cooking with your kids is just going for it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're gonna get cheese outside the bowl. You're gonna get chicken outside the bowl. See, there's gonna get stuff on your countertops. The best thing that you could ever do for your child, number 1 is to love them unconditionally. We all know that. And number 2 is to teach them how to cook. Because you're not gonna be around forever. You want them to be able to take care of themselves when they move out or go to college or stretch their pennies. We're gonna put some salsa in. Go nice and gentle, okay?
I love salsa with chips.
Seasonings. We've got chili powder, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. It's important to get your children used to eating different seasonings and flavors. Don't be afraid to really season stuff up for them. Okay, so Noah did an incredible job mixing. All you're looking for is just a really well mixed product. You don't want to break the chicken up completely, but if you do break it up completely, it doesn't matter. It's not going to affect the taste at all. Okay, so we each have a tortilla. I literally just have it in the center, fold it over, and you want to make a nice tight little roll. And here, push it seam side down onto our pan. One thing that I do want to do is brush these guys with butter. And this is what helps these guys to be nice and crisp and crunchy. These are going into a 375-degree oven. Careful, this is super hot. You can hear, nice and crisp, beautifully brown on the bottom. I'm gonna set them over on our plate. So get in the kitchen and cook with your kiddos. They need you now more than ever. Thank you so much, Rachel, for everything.
Yay! Hi, Danielle. Yay for you. You know, you said so many things there that I just believe so strongly. Let your children make a mess. You should be making a mess in your own kitchen. Have fun. That's what food is about, having fun. And I love that you said don't dumb down food for kids. Introduce them to big, bold flavors. Don't be afraid to season aggressively. I love that.
I love it. I love it. And the cool part about this is too, I've got some girlfriends that are like, hey, I don't have any kids, but I need to learn how to cook. This is honestly, I mean, if you get past the fun pictures and stuff, it's a great tool to figure out how to cook in the kitchen.